And then the next person would do a little more, you know. Next person do this, keep moving, and kind of have to tell them,
I see.
keep moving, you know.
And then it gets smooth with this?
Yeah, and then so the third cutter comes in and matches this up a little more. And they gotta just keep moving because the McLeods can take the rest.
Okay. So they can take the rest of this, or they smooth this out?
They can, yeah. So this was done. It's finished drill. So, and you're gonna have a bunch of these now.
Yeah.
So that's tricky too. So the McLeod comes in here, matches where you have existing trail, and they have to move. Sometimes it's worth even skipping. So you kind of, so the next person's doing that, you know.
I see. So the next person's 6
Yeah.
feet away, or
So
10 feet away.
So you can see, you almost have finished the trail with 2 tools, and if you have 10 tools, you got to kind of get the most out of those. So, and if you can do that, it's not easy, but you cover ground, you know. And then it's no problem to have the last 2 or 3 McLeods go through and fix holes and high spots, because once you get it to here, a rake that would do that. Once you get it to here, now you kind of have something you can go by. Yeah. And then, you know, you kind of, each person hopefully gets good at what their responsibility is. And you have 2 people in the back that can look at this and say, well, if anything, I need a little soil there, you know. Hit that.
Oh, that's very beautiful, right there.
Okay. Yeah.
Because my instinct is to burn it on the bottom, but I see what you're saying about that.
So here's how you think about that.